Hi everyone, this is Robert Eldridge with annuitycampus.com. Today I'm going to explain some of the benefits and features of what we call the Index Universal Life Insurance Policy, an IUL for short. And it's a permanent life insurance policy. You own it. It's an asset class, okay? So when you're applying for a mortgage or a car and you're going through financials of what you have in your checking account, savings, 401k, an Index UL, the cash value will go into something like that because life insurance is the best asset class in the world. Just ask Warren Buffett. He owns billions of dollars of it. He bought it from other people. So let me go over some of the benefits and features and you'll see how this works. What I did is I did a 5-year illustration. Obviously this can go on further, but this is just for illustration purposes. What does this green and the red and the green mean to you? Well, over a 5 period of time, each one of these dots is considered a year. Now this is an extreme case, but I just want you to get the idea of how this works. So, I don't know, let's say your account value is X, and the market goes up 5%, you get X plus 5%, okay? Added to your account value. And we all understand how that works. And the cap on these could be anywhere from 12 to 14% on an Index Universal Life Insurance policy, okay? And then let's say the next 1, 2, 3 years the market goes down. Well, any other type of savings program or investment, you're going to have a negative. But that's not how this works. Matter of fact, you keep what you made from the previous years plus your principal, and that just goes over here like that. Okay? Now, one of the nice features of an Index Universal Life Insurance policy is every single year, no matter what, you might get, even on these cases, you'll get a 0 on your statement. 0, 0 versus a negative, remember, because you keep the account value up here. But you get a minimum guarantee of 3 to 4% every single year. So this isn't really the way it works. It would be up here. Okay? Plus on this, you get some of those gains too. So you're capped on the upside of the S&P 500. So if the S&P 500 does 15 and the cap is 14, you get 14% added to your account value. If it does 5, you get 5. If it does negative any number, you get a 0. If it does get that 0, you're going to get a 3 to 4% anyway. As a matter of fact, if it does 2%, you're still going to get 3 or 4%. So you get a minimum guarantee, you get no loss of principal, and you get to keep the previous year's gains. Basically, they're locked in. And that's the benefits and features of an Index Universal Life Insurance policy. And over the weekend, I got an email from a lady in North Carolina. The broker told her not to overfund it, which I think is absolutely wrong. If you're going to buy an Index Universal Life Insurance policy, just don't pay the bare minimum just to have a life insurance policy like this. You want to add a little bit more to it. And the reason why is because it builds cash value. Number two, not only does it build cash value, but let's say you have a couple months where you can't afford to pay the premium, they can use the money that you previously paid to keep the life insurance policy in force. And that's what these are designed for. This isn't designed for just $50 a month, okay? I don't recommend it for that. And then I can teach you some other concepts like the infinite banking concept on how to actually use this to even more to your advantage as a finance vehicle. So anyway, if you have any questions or concerns, we'd love to give you a consultation to see if this is the right vehicle for you for a savings program down the road and tax-free retirement, and go over any information that you might need. In addition to that, go to annuitycampus.com, scroll down, get signed up for the annuity newsletter that comes out in an email format at the beginning of every month. Thank you very much for your time today. Bye-bye now.